Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today, as you can see in the thumbnail, we are going to be talking about the new Physicians Formula Butter Palette. It is the hot new thing at Walmart right now, and it's an only Walmart product. Or you can order it off physiciansformula.com. And so it comes in two shades, light medium and medium dark. So today we're just going to be kind of reviewing the palette, doing some swatches. Y'all can hear my opinion on if you think you should go out and buy it or not. So if you want to see my opinion on this, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so this is what the front of the palette looks like. And then this is what the inside looks like. You open it up and you have two new highlighters that are limited edition, and then cologne and bronzer and blush and natural glow. The light medium one comes with the same, they each come with the same two highlights, and then it comes with just the shade bronzer and natural glow, but the medium to dark palette comes with the shade deep bronzer and vintage rouge. So I literally looked at like 4 or 5 Walmarts to finally find this, and I was so excited when I did. And I wasn't wanting to order it online because this was the only thing I was wanting from Physicians Formula, so I didn't want to have to place a whole order just to get this. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches for you. They are the same formula as, you know, as we know them to be. The highlights are super buttery. The bronzer smells delicious, as usual. They're just so creamy. So there's the swatches on my hands. I think they're so beautiful. And the cologne is, it just smells everything like Bahamas and coconuts all combined. It's amazing. I'm super excited about this. So I do think that the highlight of the limited edition one in Full Moon is a lot like the Pearl highlighter. I'm going to swatch this one. Let's see. It's more of a wider tone with more of a purple undertone compared to the highlighter in Full Moon has more of a golden undertone. So there's the two swatches there. You can tell the difference. One is more of a purple color, one's more of a golden color. So it's close but not similar. So I would say if you have some butter blushes, butter bronzers, and then the highlighters already, I would not recommend going ahead and spending your money on this personally. I mean, you can save 12 bucks if you want to, but if you want the two limited edition highlighters, go for it, man. It is only $12 at Walmart. So I didn't have any of the butter blushes, so I really wanted to get this also just for the blush because I don't have any of them and I've been wanting to try them. I would really love if I cannot talk this morning. If Physicians Formula would come out with a butter palette, like a butter blush palette, I think that would be awesome. But this is a really good deal though right now going into summer. I think the packaging is really cute, even though yes, it is bulky, and I've heard people talking about how it's so bulky, and I think people were wondering if you could depot this, but I don't really think you can because the containers are so tight in here. You'd have to end up like cutting through this cardboard in order to get it out, and you might end up breaking it. So I'm going to keep mine in my box just because I really think it is cute and I like it. So overall, I think this is a great thing to get if you don't have some of these items already and you've been wanting to try out Physicians Formula. But if you do have the bronzers, blushes, and this pearl highlight already, you might pass it up, but so that's my review on the palette, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below because I would love it. I'm almost at 300 subscribers. Maybe I will be there by the time this video gets posted. Who knows? But thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye!
So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.